Ever dreamed of checking the 9 to 5 and becoming your own crypto boss? Tempted to finally buy that elusive Bitcoin everyone's been raving about? Or maybe you're just curious about the strange and wild world of decentralized finance. Well, welcome aboard. But before you can go full-on crypto cowboy, there's a little hurdle to jump first: verification. Especially on platforms like Kraken, one of the biggest names in the crypto game. Now, the verification process on Kraken might seem daunting at first. But fear not, crypto comrades. This video will be your one-stop shop for everything Kraken verification. We'll crack open how long it takes, what documents you need, and even some tips to get verified smoother than a freshly minted memecoin. So, grab a coffee, buckle up, and let's get down to crypto business. Why verify, anyway? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's chat about why verification is even a thing. It might seem like an extra hoop to jump through, but trust us, it's there for a reason. Kraken, like most reputable crypto exchanges, takes security very seriously. Think about it, you're entrusting them with your hard-earned cash, and potentially some serious crypto stacks. Verification helps them weed out bad actors and keep your funds safe. Plus, it helps Kraken comply with all those pesky financial regulations. Let's face it, the crypto world is still a bit of a wild west, and governments are scrambling to catch up. Verification helps Kraken stay on the right side of the law, which ultimately benefits everyone. Alright, how long does it take? Now for the burning question: how long will you be stuck in verification purgatory? The answer, like most things in crypto, is, it depends. Kraken boasts that in ideal situations, for their basic verification level, it can be a breeze, a matter of minutes. Boom, verified and ready to roll. However, the real world rarely cooperates. There can be a few factors that slow things down. First, if your application needs a manual review, which can happen for various reasons, then you might be waiting a few days. Secondly, Kraken gets slammed with new accounts sometimes, especially during periods of high crypto interest. Think of it like waiting in line at the hottest new restaurant in town. So, during these peak times, verification wait times can stretch a bit longer. The waiting game: how to make it suck less. So, you might be stuck in verification purgatory for a while. What can you do to ease the pain? Here are a few tips. Be prepared. Don't wait until you're chomping at the bit to buy Bitcoin to start your verification. Have all your documents scanned and ready to go beforehand. This will save you precious time when you finally take the plunge. Double-check everything. Typos and blurry photos are the verification gremlins that love to delay the process. Make sure all your information is squeaky clean and your documents are crystal clear before hitting submit. Patience is a virtue, we know, waiting stinks. But try to be patient with Kraken. They're working hard to keep your crypto safe and secure, and a little wait is a small price to pay for peace of mind. What do I need to get verified? Alright, so you're prepared to be patient and have all your ducks in a row. But what ducks exactly do you need? Well, Kraken has a few different verification levels, each with its own set of requirements. For the basic level, you'll typically need government ID. This could be your driver's license, passport, or national ID card. Make sure it's valid and not about to expire. Proof of residence, a utility bill, bank statement, or anything else with your name and current address will do the trick. A little patience. Remember, even with the basic level, there's a chance you might encounter a wait. Level up your verification game. If you're a crypto high roller in the making and want access to all the fancy features Kraken offers, you can crank your verification level up a notch. This will involve providing additional documents like proof of income and even a face photo verification. Of course, with this extra verification comes the benefit of higher deposit and withdrawal limits. The final countdown, hopefully. Once you've submitted all your documents and crossed your fingers, the waiting game begins.